Good morning, everybody. It's finally stopped raining around here, and we're gonna walk around and check out the animals and all the mud. Well, we got the stalls cleaned. Water buckets are full. That stall's clean. Hay, water bucket, and then all the mud everywhere. Hi, Ginger, Chloe, Master, how you doing? You eating your hay? They're like, yep, it's our favorite place to be. Our place where we eat hay. I see your ball over there. You guys playing with it? Or is it just blowing around in the wind? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Leave the fence alone. Hi, Mia, Maya, Rachel, Monica. Oh, your water's de-icing. Hi, girls. Can't tell if you're pregnant yet. No. I don't know if it's your thick coat from the winter or if you're putting on weight because you're pregnant. It's hard to tell. It's only been a month. All right, we're gonna go check on the ducks. Good morning, Daisy. Good morning, Donald. How are you? Well, I see we still got a little bit of snow in your run, huh? Yeah. I'm not coming to scare you. I'm sorry. Your water is not quite frozen, but it's dirty. So we're gonna have to dump that and clean that for you, huh? You guys are quiet. Let's go check on Big Red and the girls. Check out the mud. Oh. Hi, Big Red. How are you? Big Red's like, I'm doing fine. Look at all them girls in there. All right. RJ's up there with a hen, just chilling. All right, let's go check on the boy goats. Hi, Shrek. Good morning. How are you? Shrek's like, I'm fine. Brady, good morning. Gronk, what are you up to? It's like, not much. Just looking. Spud, just peeking his head out. Yeah. What do you want? Huh? You want a pet? You want some pets? Yeah, you want pets too? It's like, yes. All right. Well, that's it for our morning. A million birds. Look at all them birds. Jeez. All right, guys. Instead of Nestor saying goodbye to our friends, it's your turn. Say, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and we'll see you tomorrow.